Good morning and welcome to all ye of the tech world. Greetings from the world of law. Something that you may believe is alien to you, but this is a field that's very inherently part of our everyday lives. It's just that we don't realize the significance of the same. Let me just put it in perspective. How often, as a technology expert, do you really think that your everyday morning milk has something to do with technology or, for that matter, law? Right? The Schreiber Foods case highlighted or spotlighted the fact of the relevance of cybersecurity in our day-to-day existence. So when a supply chain is prone to attack, a cyber attack, and when everything from our food to milk to agriculture to banking, etc., when everything now relies on technology, from production to the plate, if one could put it that way, and if any single part of that chain were to be disrupted, be it due to a cyber attack, a data breach, a ransomware attack as a more heightened form of cyber attack, or any other form of disruption, even if it is just a technology glitch, it impacts our everyday life today. So when I speak about human rights and cybersecurity, I don't really focus on the all-encompassing issue of surveillance. Every time we speak cybersecurity, otherwise, everyone appears to believe that it's all about surveillance and protection of human rights. But to me, cybersecurity is about human rights. It's about protecting our everyday life. It's about ensuring that what is produced in the farm reaches our plate without a ransomware disrupting the process. You may be aware of the black matter ransomware, and that's just a point in reference here. Similarly, airlines. Imagine the kind of concern one should have if there is a cybersecurity breach that could impact or affect adversely an airline's service to us, right? So when we speak about cybersecurity and when we speak about the technology world, this is my message to all of you, and it is a very brief message. Remember, as a technology developer or someone deploying technology, there are a lot of duties and responsibilities that go with your rights. Your right to develop, your right to evolve is very much an inherent part of your existence too. Your fundamental rights to pursue any vocation or profession that you wish to. But every fundamental right comes with riders or qualifiers. And those qualifiers are the duties or responsibilities that you also carry. Why am I emphasizing this? In today's world, we are seeing so many apps percolating into our everyday existence. But these very same apps become the gateway for criminals to reach hapless victims. Case in point are the investment scams and the loan app scam situation, where an app took access to everything on a victim's phone, including their photographs, their contact details, etc., and then threatened victims with dire consequences, including sharing of morphed imagery with the contact list if they did not pay usurious interest on so-called loans. Now, when we are talking about these kind of evolving crimes, the responsibility is very clear and heightened with the tech world to ensure that you understand what your responsibilities are along with your rights. You ensure the protection of the users of the technology that you develop, and you do not believe that you will first deploy and then worry about the glitches in the technology that you are deploying. You will ensure that protection comes first. Remember, this is not just a caution for the help of users, but it's a caution for each one of you app developers too. For if you fail to comply with this responsibility, chances are you're going to be held liable. It could be for small things like apps, it could be for AI developers, it could be for any kind of technology that you develop, deploy, or offer to someone for usage, right? So with these words, all I would like to close out with is stay safe and ensure safety of others. For remember that with your rights come responsibilities, and with the failure to comply with those responsibilities come liabilities. So thank you all. I would have loved to be there in person to address you as was originally planned, but I'm really glad to IIT Madras and to the team which is organizing this summit to have given me this opportunity. Thank you once again.